Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we have your attention for 1 second while Katrina and Sam I Am, who eats green eggs and ham, show you the safety features of the Boeing 737-700 series aircraft. If you're fastening your seatbelt, slide the flat end into the buckle to release the button. The buckle will release. Position your seatbelt low and tight across your hips and that you are seated. Now impressed with our good looks and charming personality, there are 6 ways to bail on this airplane: 2 forward exit doors, 2 overhead window exits, 2 exit doors, and the back signs overhead lights on the floor will lead to those exits. A safety information card has been kindly placed in your seat back pocket. If you take it out and look it over, you notice that in the event this airplane becomes a love boat, there's a life vest underneath your seat. Do not move the vest until otherwise told by uniform flight crew member. If you see one of us jumping off the plane with our life vest on, it's a good indication to put your life vest on. Pulling the strap over the pouch of the container, place the vest over your head, wrap the black strap around your waist, buckle at the front, and pull too tight. Once outside the aircraft, you can pull on the red tab to plate. For those overachievers out there who like to show off, you can blow into the red tube at your shoulder, kick paddle all the way to shore. I'll be right behind you with the beer and the peanuts. Sam, that was retribution for your goal line joke yesterday. Your flight attendants are passing through the cabin at this time. Make sure that your shoes and socks match your outfits. Your seatbelts are securely fastened. Seat backs and tray tables in the full upright lock position. All your carrying items are stowed underneath the seat in front of you or the overhead bins, leaving the area on your feet clear. Once again, folks, if you're on the phone, now's the time to say I love you and goodbye. If you're on the phone so you don't like giving up at this time, we are moving the aircraft. No one can be on their cell phones at this time. Thank you. Once again, seatbelts securely fastened, seat backs and tray tables in the full upright lock position. All your carried items stowed underneath the seat in front of you or the overhead bins, leaving the area on your feet clear. Smoking is not allowed on board, including the lavatories. Federal law prohibits tampering, disabling, or destroying a smoke detector in the aircraft lavatory. $2,300 fine if you do decide to smoke in the lavatories. And let's face it, if you had that kind of money, you would have chosen to fly American Airlines today. Federal aviation regulations require passenger compliance with all passenger information signs posted, placards, and crew members' instructions, including instructions on seatbelts, smoking, and electronics. Two lavatories on board, one in the front, one in the back. Due to heightened security, cannot stand formally and congregate in the forward lavatory area. Now to brief you on the oxygen system, although we never anticipate a change in cabin pressure should occur, more beautifully designed Louis Vuitton oxygen mask will drop down to the compartment overhead. To activate the flow of oxygen, pull in the mask until the plastic tubing is fully extended. Place the mask over your nose and mouth and breathe normally. Secure the mask with the elastic strap. Although oxygen will be flowing, the plastic bag may not inflate, but rest assured you are still receiving oxygen. If you're traveling with someone who needs assistance or a child, or someone sitting next to you acting like a child, such as your husband or wife, place your mask on first before assisting them. And if you're sitting next to 2 people acting like children today, well, pick the one with the most potential and then work your way down. Those are the do's and don'ts. Please do the do's, don't do the don'ts. Sit back, relax, or simply be tense. Choice is up to you. 47 minutes. That's all it's going to take to get us over to Washington, Reagan. Thank you for choosing us here at Southwest Airlines today. Welcome aboard. Have your feet on the aisle, please, for takeoff. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we are going to dim the cabin lights for departure. If you need additional reading lights, look above. You find the picture of a light bulb. Press the light bulb, it'll turn the light bulb on. Press the flight attendant call button, it will now turn your flight attendants on. So make the choice at this time. Ladies and gentlemen, double check your seatbelts. We'll be clear for departure. Enjoy your flight.